iCELLis bioreactors are single-use fixed-bed systems delivering scalable performance from 0.5 to 500 square meters. They support clinical and commercial production for viral vectors, exosomes, vaccines, and other applications. Taking a closer look at the fixed-bed technology, cells adhere to carrier strips which resemble pieces of confetti paper. These strips are made up of a network of intersecting fibers, providing a surface for the cells to attach to and grow along. Carrier strips are assembled into a fixed bed structure. The iCELLis 50 provides the same surface area as 300 roller bottles. Our largest system, the iCELLis 500 Plus, provides the same surface area as 3,000 roller bottles, while only occupying a 1.7 square meter footprint. The 3D geometry reduces space requirements by 65% and lowers labor costs by 67% when compared to traditional 2D flatware. Each bioreactor is available with a 2, 4, or 10 centimeter bed height and either high or low compaction. Scalability is achieved by maintaining the fixed bed height and compaction while increasing the diameter. Each iCELLis vessel has an impeller and 5 types of sensors, measuring the pH, dissolved oxygen, temperature, pressure, and biomass. The impeller drives fluid towards the bottom of the fixed bed. In the iCELLis 50 and 500 Plus, the S-bend flow path is conserved to ensure similar shear effects. The culture medium travels up through the fixed bed at a controlled linear speed. The pH and DO are measured at the top of the fixed bed, feeding back to the process control. Then, the medium overflows along the outer wall to allow very high rates of oxygenation and CO2 stripping without adding bubbles. At the bottom of this falling film, alkaline solution can be added to control pH. The medium then flows back to the impeller and the process repeats. Alkaline solution is dispersed by the impeller, so the cells aren't exposed to boluses of high pH. For easy connection, a standard set of tubing assemblies is provided with each bioreactor. The iCELLis 50 and 500 Plus connect using Presto connections, while the iCELLis Nano features Quick Connect fixtures. Additionally, tube welding is compatible with all 3 systems. Each system comes with standard hardware features in an intuitive design. You can add a mixer to the iCELLis 50 and 500 Plus to hold extra media for perfusion or recirculation. The iCELLis 500 Plus requires a TCU for temperature control, while the iCELLis 50 uses a heating blanket that surrounds the vessel. Using a fixed bed with a 3D cell matrix often allows you to reduce the seating density compared with 2D flatware. Most adherent cells can be expanded in suspension and then will easily revert to adherence once seated into an iCELLis bioreactor. Reduce the time required to achieve your next clinical or commercial milestone. Choose the iCELLis bioreactor. For more information, please visit our website